my channel Dare to Dream. This is your friend Ananya and welcome back to another exciting video. Today I'll gonna share you this beautiful look inspired by our Indian tricolor flag. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. I'll just gonna share with you today just the eye makeup look. So my all over makeup is already done. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon. So let's go. So I have already applied the primer, so I'll start with the concealer. I am using a brush and I'll put the concealer all over my eyelid. That will be my base makeup. I'm gonna apply this above my eyebrows also. Then I'll use a wet blender and I'll blend it well. After that, I'll use the translucent powder to set the makeup. First, I'll use a light orange color as a transition shade, and after that I'll use a dark green color which I'll gonna apply to the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just applying this with the help of a brush. If you want, you can apply you can use a cello tape so that it comes a sharp edge. Now I'm gonna use the dark orange shade which I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'll apply till the mid part. Then I'll use a dabbing brush and I'll use the same color to the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'll use a blending brush and I'll blend both the colors so that no harsh line can be seen. Here I'm using the concealer to make my outer corner of the edge sharper. If you are using the cello tape, then you can skip this particular step. Now coming to the meat part, I am using over here a concealer. Just I am applying to the middle part, and after that I'll gonna use a shimmery silver color and apply it over there. Here I'm using my finger to blend that part because I'm comfortable in it. Now I'm applying the shimmery silver color just to the same part where I have applied the concealer. Then I am using a blue eyeliner and I am putting it as kajal. And then applying the mascara. Here I am using Inside Ka mascara. Then I am taking the same green color and applying it to the lower lash line. I'll be using the orange color also, and I'll mix both color and I'll blend it well. For the eyeliner, I am using Blue Heaven Ka eyeliner. Then I'll put the mascara in the lower lash line also. Then I'm using the highlighter to my brow bone. So here my eye makeup is done. Hope you guys will like this particular video. So this is my full look. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon. And if you want to follow me in my Instagram and Facebook, the links are given in the description box. So we are meeting next week. So till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye. Love from Annie.